My water intake is garbage. When I tell you, I fell off with keeping up with my water intake, and now I'm thirsty and dehydrated every damn day. I'm trying to get back to it, y'all. This is your reminder to drink your water. My lips also feel dry. What is going on with me today? Online shopping and self-checkout and employee shortage and social media and bankruptcy. Can we talk about it? Over time, less people are shopping at these craft stores. Like, it's a whole thing. So let's get into it. Where's the planner stuff going? Where is the planner stuff going? Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, where I like to talk, be cute, and be crafty and creative. And actually, today is a video. So let's talk and have our tea, in this case water. In today's video, I want to talk about the decline of craft stores. I don't know what it's looking like for us in the future, because things like online shopping and self-checkout and employee shortage and social media and bankruptcy, can we talk about it? Like, so many things is changing the game for brick and mortar stores. And honestly, it's been going on for a while, but you know what? Since this whole bankruptcy is getting traction, you know, I was like, let me actually do a video about it. I heard about it last year, okay, with Joanns. For those of you who don't know, Joanns filed to go bankrupt again within like a year. I don't know, I just didn't take it too seriously because I felt like, okay, well, they're still open, they're still doing good, people are still shopping there. But then I kind of noticed over time, less people are shopping at these craft stores. Like, it's a whole thing. So let's get into it. You know what's funny? I was actually in the middle of planning, and then I got tired, went to bed, and then I came back and I was gonna plan again, but then I was like, wait, I got a video to film, so let me film that. But I just wanted to show how I've been doing my planner system a little bit. It's not much, and I'm still kind of trying to figure it out, but I think I figured out a way to also put content stuff and brand and business stuff, as well as my regular to-dos and my little micro. Like, y'all, I will be doing a video coming up because this can be functional. It really can. So I'll be looking at this because, you know, I had to write stuff down. It's a lot going on with this topic, so I had to write some stuff down. I first wanted to talk about, which is the main reason I decided to go ahead and do this video. I've been wanting to do this video, but you know, I feel like this really pushed the decline of craft stores. Joann's going bankrupt. I had to drive to the store myself because when I was doing research and looking it up, and I saw others' videos as well, their stores was piled in boxes like they was about to be out of business tomorrow. Now, mind you, I didn't look at like everybody's videos. I don't know how many people even talking about this, but I did see a few, like 3 or 4. So that made me want to go to my local craft store to see, okay, is the same thing happening? So you know what? I got dressed. I got cute. Here's a fit check. I want y'all to see my fit check. It's so cute. Shoes are Hoka's. My pants from Shein. My sweater from Shein. My bra from Shein. My bag is MK. Bald head, not from Shein. I'm a bald Betty looking cute. Y'all saw me fall. And the sad part is that I fell on my bad side. Why didn't I fall on my good side? Oh. And now that shit hurt. So when I went into the store, I was disappointed. I'm not saying that I'm looking for their demise and I want them to leave, but I low-key wanted to see my store in boxes too. I wanted to get some real tea. You see what I'm saying? I wanted to see it in boxes too. Now, mind you, it might be like a wave thing, like maybe it didn't get to my store yet and they not. But no, I walked in and the worker was just stocking stuff, talking about, hi, welcome to Joanns. Let me know if you need help. And the store was full of stuff. full of stuff. I ain't seen no boxes, no packing, no nothing. I even went to go talk to the employee because you know what? I was curious. I have a question. Is Joanns really going bankrupt?
The company, yeah, it's the same thing that happened last time.
Okay.
We don't know if stores are closing, so.
Oh, so you're not for sure if it's closing?
Yeah.
Okay, because I know some places they had all the inventory like in the boxes and everything.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you about our store.
Oh, okay.
Or any local ones for that matter, unfortunately. We're still in the unknown stage about it as well, so shop while you can, I guess.
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah, let me know if you need help with anything.
Okay. Now, mind you, I'm not gonna lie, I really do think they don't give a damn, but some do. Come on, it's your job. I talked to him and he was kind of like, I don't know, I don't care. He was like, it's still in the unknown stage, which apparently when I was researching, there's different bankruptcy stages. So they did chapter 11, which is kind of still like the, we can rebrand, we can organize, let's kind of reevaluate, right? Apparently stuff like chapter 7 and that kind of stuff means like, okay, we're closing our doors. But I feel like they're talking about it too much to the point where, okay, it might end up being that, you know what I'm saying? And mind you, actually, a lot of places from the pandemic, they didn't truly close their doors. They just closed the doors of the brick and mortar stores. So I don't know if Joann is pivoting to becoming an online only, like some of these stores have become, or if they're closing down like for good. I don't know. So, mind you, when I was checking around the store, I felt bad. So I was like, you know what, buy something. But I'm like, God damn it, I really didn't have to. They have enough money. They don't need my support. But also, I saw some cute stickers that I just couldn't turn down. I couldn't turn down. So here we go. We listed and we don't judge. I bought some damn stickers with all the money left in my account, which was only $8. I want to show this. This is beautiful, y'all. It's not much, but okay. The reason I got this is because I thought it would look good with a shaker that I also purchased a while back. So this is probably got to be like 2 months old now. I cannot find use for this. I think it is so cute. And usually I purchase this kind of stuff to make shakers for my planner. But now I'm kind of like experimenting with how can I elevate those shakers a little bit. So I don't know yet. I saw this and thought it was cute. I might do a planner spread with it or something. I think it matches, right? It matches. Yeah. And then I was able to snag 3 sticker books, y'all. And let me tell you something. Don't sleep on the clearance section in those craft stores because prices are rising. Money is getting skipped. So I'm just saying these were like $2.50 a piece. And I was able to get all of this for $2 something a piece, which came out to $8 the last in my account. So anyway, I just wanted to show them really quick. Look at this one, y'all. I'm so glad I found this one. This one's really cute. And then here's the back of it. Wait. Oh, that's so cute. I'm sorry, I'm over here reading it. I didn't even notice. So when you look, you see those 2 beautiful ladies. Apparently they're twins and the book features them. That's so cute. I didn't even notice. Wait, do all of them do that? All of them do that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I gotta show all the books to you. So I'm just gonna do like a quick show a couple of pages. That's cute. I like the art style. That's cute. Let's show a couple more. Wow, this is super cute. Actually, this is my first time seeing this book. Wow, this is lovely. I found a good found. Oh my God, I found a good found. I found a good find. Can I be honest though? Joann's honestly is my least shopped at store. It's definitely a little more lower on the list, but I started shopping there more recently because look, I started getting into yarn and fabrics and I'm trying to get into sewing. This is so cute, y'all. I know I'm like doing a lot, but I have to show y'all. This is so cute. I guess it's based off like her. It's cute. I don't really shop there a lot, but when I do, I find some good things. But you really have to look around because when I tell you, many of these craft stores, y'all, got inventory that's just like all over the fucking place. Like, I don't know about y'all's, near y'all, but the ones near me, Joanns, Hobby Lobby, they're okay. But Joanns and Michaels, they should be piled every... What was I talking about again? Oh, they should be piled everywhere. Like, it's just so much inventory and stuff that I think people don't really want. Like, I have purchased stuff from the craft store before and it was a dusty box. Like, no one else must have bought this. I must have been the first one to buy this. This had to be sitting on this shelf for like a year. Like, when I tell you, it's crazy. And then this is the last sticker book. This one's cute too. Honestly, I feel like I don't do a lot of pride stuff, so definitely when the time comes, I want to probably do more pride spreads and stuff. It's just that I really don't have a lot of pride themed stuff. Like, a lot of the rainbow stuff I have is just cute rainbows and unicorns, and in my opinion, that's different. That's different. I'm just saying, because I love rainbow. This is a nice sticker book too. I can't wait to do a spread with these stickers. Wow. Actually, this is a cute little haul. I did pretty good here. Oh, here's my other item. So that's my cute little haul. I just wanted to show y'all that because when I tell you, I don't want Joanns to close. I like Joanns, okay? I actually do. There's, like I said, they're not the highest on my list. The highest on my list for a craft store is Michael's, but there's other craft stores, like smaller craft stores too, that I want to shop at that I've seen around my area. So don't sleep on those either. There are small businesses who actually have brick and mortar stores. Like, it's kind of cool. So now that I kind of touched on Joann's a little bit, you know, kind of just want to touch on craft stores in general. So I think there's a decline in craft stores, and I feel like many of you probably feel the same. And I started having this feeling probably about maybe 3 or 4 years ago. Basically, the pandemic, okay? When that happened, I think we were iffy about a lot of stores because online really took over then, and y'all know that. But we also know that was the time that many people, including myself, started fueling their hobbies, trying more things, doing more things. So those craft stores came in clutch, you know what I'm saying? So I just hate seeing it. I really do. But you know, at the same time, some of these places are doing it to themselves. Rising prices. Self-checkout. I don't hate self-checkout, but I will be honest, when Michael started getting self-checkout, I'm not gonna lie, I could tell a lot of people didn't like it. I actually like being checked out by somebody. I don't want to have to do it myself. I know that sounds, but I mean, that's just what I'm used to, you know what I'm saying? Self-checkout didn't always used to be around. More people were present in the stores, like employees. More people were helpful. I'm not saying they don't want to help you, but we got to be real. A lot of these stores are short-staffed. So either I got to wait till Brian is done checking his customer out, or I need to walk around this big-ass store and find somebody. And a lot of times, I have trouble finding somebody, or I'll have to wait until someone's finished helping somebody, and then I'll say, hey, can you please call someone something? Like, it's so annoying. But, you know, I understand because I used to work in retail. And I can understand how much work goes into it and with the pay, and it's a whole thing. I'm not gonna get too deep into it because, you know, I ain't that kind of channel. When it comes to controversy politics, I ain't getting too deep into it. That has a part to play. I don't know. I just feel like with the rise of online shopping and stuff like that, and social media, let's be real, social media has a part to play. Did y'all hear what happened with TikTok? What the hell was that? Y'all started off for one day and then it's back on. Has it even been a full day? Y'all are trying to hear. Like I said, I ain't gonna get into it. I have my words to say with that. I do. I have my thoughts on that, but I ain't gonna get into it. I don't even use TikTok anyway, so I'm gonna just leave it be. But things are just looking weird this 2025. That's all I'm going to say. Anyways, with the rise of online shopping, such as the TikTok shop, the Instagram shop, small businesses, Amazon, even big businesses, like the pandemic really changed the shopping game. The craft stores, never fully like came back. I think they're just kind of floating above water. Now, mind you, I ain't gonna look into the stocks and numbers and all that good stuff. I'm just going based off observation, what I see. Like every time I do walk into the craft store, it's not crowded. It's never crowded. Now, mind you, I do like to go in the morning. Call me old, but I like to get my errands done in the morning time, okay? I go when they open. So that could be another reason. But I've also been in other parts of the day because the craft stores aren't far from me. I can get there in 5 minutes. So I've been there in other parts of the day and it's the same. It's not really crowded. And if it looks crowded, it's because there's only one damn employee at the cash register. Everybody's waiting in a long ass line. So no, don't let those long lines fool you. It's not crowded. I actually grown to like shopping online due to the pandemic, but I still like going into the store, seeing the item, feeling the item, things like that. So like online doesn't give the same feeling. It doesn't. Like it has its pros, but I think it also has its cons. Okay. I also noticed in the craft stores, and I noticed this probably about a good 3 years ago, where's the planner stuff going? Where is the planner stuff going? I feel like craft stores aren't as crafty as they used to be. Like, am I crazy? I feel like craft stores aren't as crafty as they used to be. I feel like it's filled with more like home decor, just other things than like things that we need to craft. Mind you, I don't mind it having all this stuff in there, but I don't know. I feel like craft stores used to definitely have a lot more crafty things and supplies that people could get to craft more things. Now it's just a lot of things already made and stuff. And you know, I get it, because sometimes, you know, they'll source artists and stuff and feature them in their stores and stuff, but it's exhausting. There's been times I've went into the craft store and I was overwhelmed and I turned around and left. So mind you, I had to start making a list before leaving because I used to go there just to shop, window shop, and sometimes I'll still go window shop, market research, get inspo, but it's just not the same. I don't know what it is. They switching stuff up. And planner stuff has also like declined in stores too. It's decreased. It's like it used to be in the aisle. Why you're not in the aisle anymore? You're just on the side of the aisle now. What is this? See, that's why I started making my own shit. That's neither here nor there. I'm just doing like a little rant, y'all. I'm just doing a little rant. And then before I conclude this video, I actually was, you know, looking around the internet, you know, because I like to include stuff in this video. But I found someone who did a Reddit, and this was 3 years ago, who feels the same way. Does anyone feel like the big box craft stores hardly sell craft supplies anymore? I've been noticing this trend over the past few years. I feel like big craft giants like Michaels and AC Moore have been using up more and more of their space for home decor and ready-made decorations and less space for, you know, actual craft supplies. Didn't I just say that? Didn't I just say that? You see how these people feel, right? And I'm sure a lot of people feel this way. We just haven't talked about it, so we're talking about it. I need to know in the comments down below, do y'all see what I see? Do y'all feel what I feel? How long have y'all noticed the decline of craft stores or even just like planning in general? I feel like there's a shift, a weird shift, and I don't like it versus when I first started in this community a few years ago, about 5 years ago, maybe we'll say 6. You know, I was doing it before even starting the YouTube channel. Getting into this YouTube channel is really what made me really dive into the community. So I see a lot of things now. You know, we're a community. We have a lot of things, and that's okay. As long as we be a community. Where am I going with this? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just, like I said, a rant. I want to know like what you guys think down below with the change of craft stores or just the crafting community. The crafting community in general. You know what? I'm done talking. I'm talking too much that I can't even talk right. Please comment down below.